Hi there, Toby. You asked what my streaming setup is like, so let me show you. So here I'm sitting behind my desk. It's a lot going on and there's a lot of mess right there. And we have first here the background that you always see, right? This is a Philips Hue lamp that I bought like a few years back with starter kit. Then we have a curtain, just a black curtain for the background, and some things from construction that allows me to hang on the curtains. Then I have a light, a Ulanzi light. I will leave the link in the description down below. If you'd like to support me, then please purchase it via there, and else use something different. Then over here I have a desk light, and there's another one, and there's another one. I do think this one is a very bright one. Maybe I should have a diffuser of some kind on top of that. Just like I did here with some baking paper. That's this really nice hack, by the way. If you want some cheap diffuser, then that can be very recommended. For the rest of my streaming setup, I have a camera right here. It's the ZV-E10 with the Sigma lens. I think it's the 50. There will be a link in the description with the right one, so that you can see which one I've had. I've bought the second hand, so it was very cheap actually. Then we have the Elgato prompter, teleprompter. I haven't used it that much. It helps a lot with bullet points. And next week there will be something that I will be using this kind of thing for, to see if it really helps out. Then I have something called WebRTC Telestar Windows, which allows me to create a layer on top of my screen. And as you can see, I have my iPad set up like this, where I can switch to my drawing and then draw over my screen. I'm using Touch Portal as my kind of stream deck, where I've set up all the buttons that I need. And here we have our chat app that's connected also via an RTC stream. And as we can see right here, this is how it looks, and this is how I connect to the chat and show you as a pop-up in my OBS, which is the recording that I'm using right now. I've set up all kinds of scenes with all kinds of things, and this one you might know. I've used the overlay and that sort of things from Nerd or Die. Let me open up the website for that one. nerdordie.com is this website. It has Twitch overlays, but it can also be used for YouTube. And I've set it up in OBS, and this is the specific one that I recently bought at a 40% discount, so it's very good to know. Then when we go back here, we have a lot of other scenes. What I try to do is having the OG screens right here, a collection of everything that I have. So this one for sketching, this one for my talking head, my display, this one for the chat, so that's the pop over with the social stream that I just showed. This one is for the guest to show. If I have a guest appearance, then I have something called Video.Ninja that I'm using, and here you can create rooms where people can join to your stream, but it doesn't always work as well. So I'm looking for an alternative to see if there's something better if you have multiple people during your stream. Then we have my mic setup, so my sounds, YouTube music, and my main mic. Oh, my main mic is, by the way, this pod mic connected to a Vocaster 2 audio interface, and that plugs in directly in my computer. Also for my camera, I'm not using the USB port on the camera, but I'm using the Elgato capture card, the USB version, because that's easy to use. Then we have the screen share option, and this is one that I haven't used yet, maybe use in the future, but not for now. I use this and then have on OBS installed Stream Elements, which allows me to have some quick setup. Haven't used it as much as I would like to. You can also do multi-streaming, but it doesn't work as well as I hoped. And then I will manage my broadcast right here, then select a broadcast, and then select the one that I've already created. And I've done this in YouTube Studio. So I set this up in YouTube Studio, and then it also shows in here. That's basically it. If you have any questions on how to set things up or want to purchase any kind of these things, then there will be a link in the description down below. It's a affiliate link, so I will get a commission at no extra cost to you. And if you like this kind of thing and would love to join me on a live stream, then hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see how Web Studio works, there will be a video up here that allows you to see how you can install Web Studio or how you can use Web Studio. All right, take care. And as always, see you on the next one and keep designing. Bye bye.